I'm about to plant some cucumbers, and I have here a perfect trellis for them. This was gifted to me by the brand. This is the installation guide, and they should be really easy to put together. These are all like the parts. Let's do the first post. So this one, connecting it with this more of like T connector, and then adding this. So this is the longer one that is like more of the post, and then connecting it with the shorter one. So that's the first one. Just make sure they are like really tightly connected. This is the finished like trellis. If you are gardening and you are growing some climbing plants, check out this garden trellis. And this is made of steel, which makes it really sturdy, and also coated with PE coating, which makes it like rust proof and waterproof. This is a perfect garden trellis to grow like cucumbers. These are Persian cucumbers, and so this will provide support on the cucumbers. Or if you like to grow like bitter melon, so it's also a perfect trellis for bitter melon. Or even corn. Sometimes corn, they fall when it's too windy, so this will provide support for the corn. If you don't have a space for the squash to crawl on the ground, you can train them to crawl up. So you can use a trellis like this one. And then what else? Even like tomatoes. Since tomatoes, they grow really tall, and if you don't want to use tomato cages, you can use this one. And you can use like so there are like 30 vine clips provided, so you can use this to like clip your tomatoes onto the trellis. Same thing. And also it came with a pair of gloves, and also like this one, like the string or the iron string. I think I'm not sure what the garden strings. I think that's this one. This is really useful in the garden, and it's so affordable too, and very easy to put together. And you can resize this, so you can add 2 or more and make it a row of like climbing plants, or you can enclose your raised garden bed with this one, so you can add 4 more. And then your like the plants in the middle should be protected from bigger animals. I highly recommend this.